Okay guys, I have been showing you different faceless niches which you can try with the help of an AI tool called Vexub, and I have showed different features of this platform, like it has features like text to video, MP4 to video, SMS video, and even MP3 to video, and recently it has integrated the Google Veo3 feature as well. Anyway, today I'm going to show you another great feature which may bring more value to your faceless contents. With this feature you can get a custom specific visual look across your entire video. So let me show you how it works. First of all, go to vexub.com. Let's make a video in Stoic Philosophy niche. It's a great niche for new content creators. Now we go through the same process. You already know the steps. Click on create a video, select text to video, then click on go to step 2. Now select horizontal format, click on go to step 3, selecting no narrator and selecting one of the voice, and then go to step 4. Now provide a video topic and click on generate. And we have got the script. Then click on go to step 5. Now this is the place where we can choose the image style. Vexub has multiple style templates for image generation like realistic, charcoal, watercolor, horror, children book, comics, and many more. But what if you want a very specific visual look across your entire video? Something unique, something that matches your brand. That's where Vexub's custom style feature comes in. You can simply type a single prompt and Vexub will apply that style to every image it generates. This means every scene, every frame will stay consistent, same mood, same theme, same art direction. Now here, as I'm making a Stoic Philosophy video, I want all the scenes with Marcus Aurelius images, so let's provide a prompt for this. I'm using a short prompt. You can go more detail if you want, and then click on start generation. And let's wait for a moment, and boom, we have got our video with customized image style. You can see all the scenes include Marcus Aurelius, and the ancient Roman style is also been nicely attached, which makes the video more relevant and engaging. So what do you think? I think it really did a good job. You can play around with it and show your creativity to do more things. So go and check out their other features. You can choose one of the subscription packages which may help you in your content creation journey. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts through the comment section. I will catch you in the next one.